Hey guys, this is Rachel again, just doing a quick video showing you how to record your screen and make videos for your class. I already have the website up, but if I go to Google and just type in screencast-o-matic as one word, you'll get it that way as well. And you can click on it and it will take you to their website just so that you can see that. You actually do not need to create an account, but it is very helpful because that way you can save your videos. But you can literally just click start recording for free, which is what I'm doing right now. The only reason I did that is so that I could show you the actual login screen and what it really looks like. So I'm actually going to log into my account while I'm screen recording. And I just created a Google account because I already have a Gmail, so it made it a lot easier for me to do that. And it will link to your Google if you have a Gmail. Now you'll notice up here, it will allow you to create folders, channels, it'll keep your videos. Most of mine I post to YouTube, so it doesn't save them in here for me because I have them all on a YouTube channel. You literally just click launch recorder. That's literally all you do. I don't know if it's going to allow me to do that. Yeah, it does say it's already open. And it will let you record for up to 15 minutes. And it's recording my entire screen right now of what I'm doing. So if you have a computer that allows you to use a stylus and you're writing things, it will record that. If you are, if you are typing in and teaching students how to annotate notes and things like that, it will record that. It will even record a video that's playing in the background. So it is really a nice and super easy program. You literally just click record and it does all the rest for you. If you don't like what you're doing, then you would just click the pause button. It'll give you a little trash can if you don't want to keep it. And it does allow you to edit the video afterwards and gives you a choice of either saving it to your desktop, saving it to the cloud, or saving it to YouTube, and it will give you a YouTube link once you've done that. If you do want to save to YouTube, make sure that you have a YouTube account so that you can actually access your videos after you're done with that. That is pretty much it. If you have any questions after we post this video, just go ahead and put them in the chat room for the help desk and we'll do our best to help you out. See you later.